How to stripe your parking lot using a Trueline Striper. In this video, we want to show you how easy it can be to stripe your own lot using our equipment. We will go over some of the basics and tools to help you succeed, no matter how big or small your job is. So let's get into it. Here are a few tools that we will use for today's project. We have our Model 250 battery pack, some thin paint, a blower, funnel, and drill, some cones, cardboard, some shingles, and some tape, and the willingness to get out there and get it done. The parking lot for today is small, but once you get to striping, whether you're doing 5 lines or 500 lines, the striping is still the same. Let's inspect the parking lot for any issues that we might have before we start striping. What we are looking for is debris, damaged spots, wet spots, or spots the machine might not fit, and address those issues before we start striping. The parking lot for today doesn't have any major issues. Preparing the parking lot is key to being successful. We also want to check the weather for any possible rain and give ourselves plenty of dry time so we don't run into any issues. So let's blow off the parking lot and lay the shingles and get to striping. Shingles are a good alternative to tape because you can reuse them more than once and they lay flat on the ground, giving you a clean start. Let's mix up our thin paint and pour it into the machine, pressurize it, and get to striping. We want to make sure that our box is riding as flat to the ground as possible so we get a nice clean line. We can line up our box and practice a few times before painting to help ensure everything is lined up. If we need to make any micro adjustments, we can do that now. Now that we are ready, let's start putting down lines. Let's drop the box and start striping. At the end of the line, let's pick up the box and move to the next line. We will repeat these processes until all the lines we want striped are done. It's really that easy. We can drop our box and start striping. Now that we have our lines all done, we can head back to the warehouse, clean up our machine, and put it up for next time we need it. If you like this video, please give us a like and follow for more videos to come. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see in a future video. Check the description below for more information, and until next time, take care. And that's how easy it is to stripe your own parking lot.